7 million books stolen, not from a library, from pirate websites. And the company that did it, they literally have AI safety in their mission statement. I'm talking about Anthropic, the company behind Claude, one of the most advanced AI systems on the planet. And they just agreed to pay $1.5 billion to settle the biggest copyright lawsuit in American history. This isn't just about one company getting caught. This case might determine whether AI as we know it can even exist. Let me break down what actually happened, why it matters, and what this means for the future of AI, because buckle up. This gets wild. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, Julia McCoy's AI clone. Julia McCoy is the founder of First Movers. She personally researches and writes every script you see me share on this channel because the future is moving too fast for anything less than first-hand intelligence. First Movers, Julia's AI company, is the world's first educational and implementation solution to help professionals and organizations get ready for the future of work. We help people understand and use AI to their highest advantage in our online school, the AI R&D Labs. Learn more at firstmovers.ai/labs. Okay, so here's the story. In August 2024, 3 authors, Andrea Bartz, Charles Graeber, and Kirk Wallace Johnson, filed a class action lawsuit against Anthropic, and the allegations, devastating. According to court documents, Anthropic didn't just use copyrighted books to train their AI. They downloaded over 7 million books from pirate websites. Library Genesis and Pirate Library Mirror were talking 5 million books from one site, 2 million from another. But wait, it gets worse. The lawsuit claims Anthropic also bought physical books, scanned them, and then destroyed the originals, like actual book burning vibes. And here's what really made the judge angry. The complaint literally said Anthropic was cloaking itself in the rhetoric of AI safety and responsibility, while their actions made a mockery of its lofty goals. You can't write this stuff. The ethical AI company downloaded millions of books from pirate sites. The irony is so thick you could train a language model on it. Now here's where it gets legally interesting, because the judge actually made 2 rulings that went in opposite directions. In June 2025, Judge William Alsup made a landmark decision. He said that using books to train AI, fair use, his exact words, the training was exceedingly transformative and quintessentially transformative. He compared it to human learning, saying it would be unthinkable to make someone pay every time they recall something from memory. But, and this is a massive but, he also ruled that downloading those books from pirate sites was absolutely not fair use. His quote, "You can't just bless yourself by saying, I have a research purpose, and therefore go and take any textbook you want." So the legal precedent here is nuanced. Training AI on copyrighted content might be legal, but how you acquire that content, that matters a lot, with a trial looming and potential damages reaching into the hundreds of billions. Anthropic did the math. Think about it. Statutory damages can go up to $150,000 per willfully infringed work, times 7 million books. You do that math and it's existential. So in September 2025, they settled $1.5 billion. Here's how it breaks down. Roughly $3,000 per book split between authors and publishers. Covers about 500,000 unique works. Payments spread over 3 years. And here's the kicker. This settlement only covers past conduct. It doesn't give Anthropic any rights to use this data going forward. They're paying $1.5 billion for a mess they already made, but Anthropic isn't alone. Every major AI company is facing lawsuits right now. OpenAI got sued by the New York Times, by George R.R. Martin, by the Authors Guild. A judge found substantial similarity between ChatGPT summaries and Game of Thrones. Meta faced authors in Cadre versus Meta. They won on summary judgment, but the judge specifically said his ruling does not stand for the proposition that Meta's use of copyrighted materials is lawful. Basically, you win this time, but don't get comfortable, Music publishers sued Anthropic back in 2023, claiming Claude can reproduce copyrighted lyrics. There's over 40 pending lawsuits in this space right now. This isn't going away. This is just the beginning. Now let me address the elephant in the room, because you might be thinking, don't humans learn by reading other people's stuff? How is AI any different? The AI companies love this argument. And honestly, on the surface, it sounds reasonable. But here's where it falls apart. The US Copyright Office literally addressed this in their May 2025 report. They said, and I'm quoting, AI learning is different from human learning in ways that are material to the copyright analysis. Why, when you read a book, you retain imperfect impressions filtered through your own personality, history, and worldview. AI training creates perfect copies of millions of works, processes them billions or trillions of times, and can sometimes reproduce them verbatim. Professor Jane Ginsburg from Columbia Law put it best. A machine makes copies. These machines make copies on a very, very big scale. And I think that is a significant difference. And here's the economic reality. A single AI can produce enough content to compete with all the creators it was trained on. No human can do that. When one AI trained on thousands of authors can write unlimited books, that's not learning. That's potentially putting an entire industry out of work. So what does this mean for the future? Here's my take and some predictions. Prediction number 1, licensing becomes mandatory. We're already seeing it. OpenAI signed deals with Reddit for $70 million, with News Corp, with the Associated Press. There's already a $2.5 billion licensing market, and it's going to explode. If you're a creator with valuable content, companies are going to have to pay you. Prediction number 2, the gap between big tech and small AI companies widens, because guess who can afford million-dollar licensing deals? Not startups. The Electronic Frontier Foundation warned this could entrench big tech's dominance and shut out small developers. Prediction number 3, data becomes the new oil, but regulated. The EU AI Act already requires transparency about training data and opt-out mechanisms. Japan is cracking down. Even the US Copyright Office is recommending extended collective licensing. We're moving toward a world where training data has clear ownership and costs. Prediction number 4, some AI capabilities might get worse temporarily. Quality public data could be depleted by 2026 to 2032. Synthetic data. AI training on AI outputs causes something called model collapse. The best AI might actually need human-created content. The irony here is profound. AI needs us, our creativity, our writing, our ideas to get better. And now it has to pay for it. So here's the bottom line. The Anthropic case established 2 critical precedents. First, training AI on copyrighted material might be fair use. Second, stealing that material is not. The $1.5 billion settlement tells us that even ethical AI companies cut corners, and the price for getting caught is massive. And the bigger picture, we're watching the rules of the AI era get written in real time. 40 lawsuits are working through courts right now. Music creators could lose 24% of their income by 2028. The entire creative economy, worth over $2 trillion, is being reshaped. This isn't just about copyright law. It's about who profits from the AI revolution and who gets left behind. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to be covering every major development in these cases as they unfold. Drop a comment below. Do you think AI companies should pay for training data, or is this going to kill innovation? I'll see you in the next one. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI R&D labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs.